Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of laptops and exploring the best brands of 2024. With so many options out there, it can be tough to know which laptops are worth your hard earned money. That's why we are here to break down the top choices that everyone is talking about and often selling out fast. Whether you're a student, professional, gamer, or just need a reliable laptop for everyday use, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and find out what makes these brands so popular this year. Apple, let's kick things off with Apple. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovative technology, and their laptops are no exception. The MacBook Air and MacBook Pro are the stars of their lineup. MacBook Air. The MacBook Air is renowned for its thin, lightweight design, making it incredibly portable and perfect for on the go use. It features Apple's custom M1 and M2 chips, which provide exceptional performance and energy efficiency. This means you can expect faster processing speeds, longer battery life, and an overall smoother experience. The Retina display is stunning, offering vibrant colors and sharp text, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. One of the standout features is the fanless design, ensuring silent operation. MacBook Pro, on the other hand, the MacBook Pro is designed for more demanding tasks. It comes in two sizes, 13-inch and 16-inch, with the larger model featuring the M1 Pro or M1 Max chips. These models offer even greater performance, suitable for video editing, software development, and other intensive applications. The promotion technology in the latest models provides a smoother visual experience with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz. The MacBook Pro also includes enhanced thermal management for sustained performance, a range of ports including Thunderbolt 4, and the highly praised Magic Keyboard. Why they're so popular? If we see, Apple's ecosystem is a significant draw. The seamless integration with other Apple devices like the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch offers a cohesive and efficient user experience. Features like handoff, airdrop, and continuity camera make multitasking across devices effortless. Additionally, macOS is known for its stability, security, and user-friendly interface, which appeals to a wide range of users from students to professionals. Dell's laptops are highly regarded for their build quality, performance, and innovative features. The XPS series and Alienware are particularly noteworthy. XPS series, the Dell XPS 13 and XPS 15 are among the best ultrabooks available. They feature stunning Infinity Edge displays with minimal bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. These models are equipped with the latest Intel processors and offer options for high-resolution 4K displays, making them perfect for creative professionals and media consumption. The XPS series also boasts excellent build quality with aluminum and carbon fiber construction, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Alienware. For gamers, Dell's Alienware series is a top choice. Alienware laptops are designed with powerful hardware, including high-end NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, making them capable of handling the latest games and VR applications. The advanced cooling systems ensure optimal performance even during extended gaming sessions. The customizable RGB lighting and futuristic design add to their appeal, making them not just powerful but also stylish. Why they're so popular? If we see here, Dell's commitment to innovation and quality has earned them a loyal customer base. The XPS series is often seen as the benchmark for Windows Ultrabooks, offering a blend of performance, design, and battery life that few competitors can match. Alienware's reputation in the gaming community is built on delivering cutting-edge technology and exceptional gaming experiences. HP, Moving on to HP, a brand known for its versatile range of laptops that cater to various needs and budgets. The Spectre X360 Envy and Pavilion series are some of their standout offerings. Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 is a versatile two-in-one laptop that offers the flexibility of both a laptop and a tablet. It features a stunning design with a gem-cut chassis and premium materials. The latest models come with Intel's 11th and 12th Gen processors, ensuring powerful performance. The 360-degree hinge allows for multiple usage modes, from traditional laptop to tablet, tent, and stand modes. The Spectre X360 also boasts a vibrant OLED display option, Bang & Olufsen tuned speakers, and long battery life, making it a perfect choice for creative professionals and multimedia enthusiasts. Envy Series. The HP Envy series offers a balance of performance and affordability. These laptops are equipped with powerful processors, high-resolution displays, and solid build quality. The Envy series is known for its sleek design and premium feel, often featuring aluminum construction. They are ideal for students and professionals who need a reliable and stylish laptop without breaking the bank. Pavilion Series. The HP Pavilion series is geared towards budget-conscious consumers who still want good performance. These laptops come with a range of configurations to suit different needs, from basic computing tasks to more demanding applications. The Pavilion series is known for its value for money, offering decent performance, good build quality, and attractive designs at an affordable price point. Why they're popular? HP's laptops are popular for their variety and value. The Spectre X360's versatility and premium features make it a top choice for those seeking flexibility and power. The Envy series provides a premium experience at a mid-range price, while the Pavilion series offers solid performance for budget-conscious buyers. HP's focus on design, innovation, and customer satisfaction keeps them at the forefront of the laptop market. Lenovo. Let's talk about Lenovo, a brand renowned for its reliability, innovative designs, and strong performance. Their ThinkPad, Yoga, and Legion series are particularly popular. ThinkPad series. The Lenovo ThinkPad series is legendary in the business world. Known for their robust build quality, exceptional keyboards, and enterprise-grade security features, ThinkPads are the go-to choice for many professionals. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon, for instance, is incredibly lightweight yet durable, making it perfect for business travelers. It features powerful processors, high-resolution displays, and excellent battery life. The trackpoint and ergonomic keyboard are standout features that enhance productivity and user comfort. Yoga Series. The Lenovo Yoga series is celebrated for its flexible two-in-one design. These laptops can be used in multiple modes, including laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, thanks to their 360-degree hinges. The Yoga series often features vibrant displays, powerful processors, and slim profiles, making them ideal for students, creatives, and professionals who need a versatile device. The Yoga 9i, with its premium build and high-end specifications, is a top pick for those seeking a combination of style and performance. Legion series. For gamers, the Lenovo Legion series is a standout. These laptops are equipped with powerful NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, high refresh rate displays, and advanced cooling systems to handle intense gaming sessions. The Legion series is designed to provide a premium gaming experience with features like customizable RGB lighting, high-quality audio, and ergonomic keyboards. Why they're popular? Lenovo's focus on innovation, reliability, and user experience has made their laptops extremely popular. The ThinkPad series is a favorite among business users for its durability and productivity features. The Yoga series offers the flexibility and performance needed by creatives and professionals on the go. The Legion series is a top choice for gamers looking for powerful and reliable gaming laptops. Asus. Finally, we have Asus, a brand that offers a wide range of laptops known for their innovative features, performance, and value. The ROG Strix, ZenBook, and VivoBook series are particularly noteworthy. ROG Strix series. The Asus ROG Strix series is designed for gamers who demand top-tier performance. These laptops are equipped with the latest NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, high refresh rate displays, and advanced cooling systems. The ROG Strix series offers customizable RGB lighting, robust build quality, and powerful hardware, making them a favorite among gaming enthusiasts. The innovative designs and aggressive aesthetics also add to their appeal. ZenBook series. The Asus ZenBook series is known for its ultra-slim and lightweight designs, making them perfect for professionals on the go. These laptops feature high-resolution displays, powerful processors, and long battery life. The ZenBook series often includes unique features like the screen pad, a secondary touchscreen built into the touchpad, which enhances productivity and multitasking. The premium build quality and stylish design make the ZenBook series a top choice for those seeking a portable and powerful laptop. VivoBook series. The Asus VivoBook series offers a balance of performance and affordability. These laptops are ideal for students and budget-conscious buyers who need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks. The VivoBook series features a range of configurations, attractive designs, and solid build quality, making them a great value for money. Why they're popular? Asus's commitment to innovation and value has earned them a strong following. The ROG Strix series is highly regarded in the gaming community for its performance and design. The ZenBook series appeals to professionals with its combination of portability, power, and unique features. The VivoBook series offers excellent value, providing reliable performance and stylish designs at an affordable price. Consumer preferences. When choosing a laptop, performance is often the top priority. Many users opt for laptops equipped with powerful processors like Intel Core i7, i9 or AMD Ryzen 7 9s and dedicated GPUs for gaming or intensive creative work. These high-performance components ensure smooth multitasking, fast processing speeds, and the ability to handle demanding applications and games. Portability is another crucial factor. Lightweight and slim models, such as the MacBook Air, Dell XPS 13, and Asus ZenBook, are highly favored by users who need to carry their laptops frequently. These models offer a good balance of performance and battery life without sacrificing portability, making them ideal for students, professionals, and travelers. Versatility is also a key consideration, with many users opting for two-in-one laptops like the HP Spectre X360 and Lenovo Yoga series. These laptops provide the flexibility to switch between laptop and tablet modes, catering to different usage scenarios. The ability to use these devices for note-taking, drawing, and presenting makes them popular among creatives, educators, and business users. Long battery life is a must for users who need their laptops to last through a full day of work or travel. Laptops like the MacBook Air, HP Spectre X360 and Dell XPS series are known for their excellent battery performance, allowing users to work, study, or entertain themselves without constantly searching for a power outlet. Build quality and design are also important. Laptops with premium materials, such as aluminum or carbon fiber, and sleek designs like the MacBook Pro, Dell XPS, and HP Spectre X360 attract users who value aesthetics and durability. A well-built laptop not only looks good but also withstands the rigors of daily use, ensuring longevity. Budget-conscious buyers often prioritize value for money, seeking laptops that offer a good mix of performance, features, and affordability. Models like the Lenovo IdeaPad, Asus VivoBook, and HP Pavilion series are popular choices for their reliable performance and reasonable prices, making them accessible to a wider range of users. In summary, the best laptop brands of 2024, Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Asus, are in high demand for their exceptional blend of performance, portability, design, and value. Whether you need a powerhouse for professional work, a versatile two-in-one for creative projects, or a reliable everyday laptop, these brands have something to offer. Understanding what makes these laptops so popular can help you make an informed decision and find the perfect device to meet your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and reviews. Let us know in the comments which laptop brand is your favorite and why. See you in the next video.